how to fix League of Legends being stuck on the loading screen. So the first thing you need to do is force quit League of Legends and the Riot client. To do this, press the Apple logo, go to force quit, and then select the Riot client and League of Legends, and then just press force quit. Once we do that, so the next thing you want to do is clear your cache. To do this, make sure you've got Finder open, go to folder, type this in, I'll leave it in the first line of the description, press enter. Now press edit, select all, file, and move to bin. So now that our cache is cleared, all we need to do is open up Riot Client again. So once this opens, you need to click on your profile picture here, go to settings, go to League of Legends, and then press repair. Start repair. Once it's successfully repaired, just press OK, and now you can give it another go. If it's still not working, you may want to check your network. Make sure you've got a strong Wi-Fi signal, or better yet, have a wide Ethernet connection. Another thing worth mentioning is making sure you have enough storage on your MacBook. If you're still having issues with it, you'll need to reinstall Riot Client and League of Legends. So what you can do is go to Finder, go to Applications, and then just type in League of Legends. Right click on that, and then you need to move that to your bin. Now do the same with the Riot Client. Right click on that, and then put that in the bin. To reinstall it, just open up an internet browser, click this first link here, play for free, and follow the steps on how to reinstall it. My next tip is opening up Riot Client and then opening League of Legends through the Riot Client. This tends to speed up the process and you don't get stuck on any sort of loading screens. So if you followed all these steps, your League of Legends should no longer be getting stuck on the loading screen. Thank you for watching the video. Let me know down in the comments below if this helped, and also like and subscribe.